After days of endless desert landscapes, we headed eastward to the Sarawat Mountains, where we would wild camp, and a chance encounter while hitchhiking would take us to one of the oldest towns in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm Lostshmi.
Who are you?
I'm Mahin.
So we're hunting for a place to set up camp before it gets dark. That is our campsite down there. Oh, what is that? Ooh. Driving through this beautiful village. I'm having like a picnic.
You born there?
Yeah.
So cute.
لازم فلوس. لا في ما في
Perfect. Shukran.
اهلا وسهلا في السعوديه.
Okay, shukran.
Shukran.
السلام عليكم.
Bye.
This was our latest hitchhiking encounter, and he dropped us off here, somewhere, to spend the night.
All right. Let's go camp.
There's something nice about not knowing who we'll meet and where we'll sleep on each new day, right?
Okay, time to start setting up the tent for sunset.
Here in Saudi, you could wild camp. Pitch your tent anywhere you please. Well, as long as it wasn't private property.
Ta-da!
I just climbed this rock cliff and looking down at the town below and looking at the stars. It's very nice. That is our campsite down there, and that's Mahin. And this is Saudi Arabia. Whoa, what is that? Okay, I definitely just saw eyes over there. Alright, so it turns out it was a cat.
Oh man.
If you're wondering why Mahin has my scarf and is trying to take down a tree branch with it, it's because we're trying to collect firewood and there's literally nothing without thorns here. Alright, well, that was a fail. Oh, who's that? Hello?
Shukran. He was like, what are you guys doing?
Okay, so we did not succeed in getting any big branches, so this is a very fast burning fire. But it was still a fire, and fires always make me think about life. If you asked me years ago to describe what my house would look like, a tent in Saudi Arabia would not have been it. But somewhere down the line, I learned the simplicity and adventure were what I valued, more than any fancy hotel. Check out my home for the night. Let's go inside. All right, good night, everybody. This is my tent. Good morning. This is where we slept. Yeah, like an hour outside of Abha. And it's a really lovely day. Our tent is back there. I think Mahi made oats for breakfast. Let's go see. How is it?
Something good taste.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay. Good morning. How you doing? You good, bro? miss you too. Goodbye, camping spot. All right, yalla. Ready?
Let's go.
We may have to walk a lot.
Where you going?
I don't know. There are so many camels here. Camel number 1, camel number 2, camel number 3. I'll say hi. Make some friends. He's already eyeing me. And they're all different colors actually. This is the first time I've seen a black camel. Very diverse. Oh, this one's got his front 2 feet tied. Hi. Can I say hi? Salam. And then it was back to hitchhiking. This part of Saudi had a whole different vibe to it. It was more what you would picture a European town or city to look like. Or I guess the real problem was I never had an image in my head of what a Saudi town would look like before now. In a fancy bathroom right now. Someone picked us up and is taking us to lunch at this like really nice place. So let's go. I'm hungry. Wow, this is amazing. Thank you, shukran. What happened after lunch, I couldn't believe.
أنا في ما في ما في بعدين أنت يصل بقالة مطعم لازم فلوس
لا في
ما في
فلوس في الله قسم
لا ما في
لا مشكلة
ما في
أنا حب شكرا
وأنا أحبك
أنا
أنا والله أحبك لو ما يحبك ما يعطيه فلوس والله
Shukran. Oh my god. Too nice. You are too nice.
ونجي أخذ شنطة بعدين هذه الشنطة ثقيل أنت عليك
Floored.
أهلا وسهلا
Won't let us sleep without taking it's 10 riyal. Shukran.
خلاص مع السلامة الله يحفظك شكرا
مع السلامة
الله يحفظك شكرا الله
مع
يحفظك
السلامة مع السلامة.
Welcome to the ancient city of Al Namas. It's one of the oldest cities in the kingdom and a famous hill station in the Sarawat mountains. Oh, baboons. Oh, there's so many. This is where we would be spending the night, but we wouldn't be sleeping outside this time. They're giving us dinner and about to have a feast.
Hello.
Hello. What's your name?
Mohammed.
Mohammed.
Ahmed.
Ahmed. Nice to meet both of you.
Nice to meet you too.
What do we have here?
This chicken.
Chicken.
Yes.
I love chicken. Oh my goodness, so much chicken. Amazing.
And this عدس
Adis? Adis, okay.
olive
Oil.
Olive oil. We're learning a dance.
ഇതാണ് കേട്ടോ നമ്മുടെ ബോയാണ് കേട്ടോ ഡാൻസ് കളിക്കുന്നത്.
Alright, let's do a house tour. Come through here. And we have this like old style house that no one lives in. And this is the room. It looks very vintage, right? There are 2 bathrooms. Over here is one. And there's another one down there. So this is the room that I slept in. I think I see a bedroom in here, but I won't show it because I don't know. No one showed it to me yet. So I'm here alone, by the way, right now because they went to go pray. All right, it is a beautiful sunny morning and I think it is almost time to eat.
Hello.
Good morning. Hi. We're setting up breakfast. I'm having like a picnic. He is not happy to not be included in breakfast. After breakfast, we went on a tour of the village. Humans had inhabited this place for over 2,000 years, and many of the old historic buildings had been made from stone.
Let's get from there. 5 kilometers. Get a stone and put fire for a stone. And the stone
Melt.
Still border. And border with the water. And
This is your sheep?
Yeah.
Oh, hi sheep. Love sheep. Oh, no baby sheep. Oh,
this is the old mosque.
old mosque up there.
This is old.
This is old, yeah.
But this
Yeah.
is the new.
Ah, okay, they
Okay.
rebuilt.
Maybe this, my grandfather tell me, he born, it's built.
The time he born.
You see from here, or put your shoes, have a out and no problem. This is the
Yeah. Oh my god, a newborn baby sheep.
so nice.
Hi. Hello. Salam. The newborn.
Where?
He was just born last night.
Who?
The baby
one,
sheep
no?
in the back. In the back. He like walked in the shadow.
You born there?
Yeah.
So cute.
Nice.
Old sewing machine. And what is in here?
This is the
The dusty room is filled with hats, jewelry, old pots and pans. Museum in his house, but we're locked out.
I can help.
Oh, he breaking and entering. Wow.
Nice.
okay.
Yeah.
He really did have a little museum tucked away in his house.
This is for coffee.
Blue rice.
And this is for eat. And this is cook. This one cook. And this one cook.
Yeah, I don't know where we're going now. It is a surprise.
And I travel Spain, France,
Oh, okay.
Ah,
Portugal. I study there 3 months.
Okay.
Maybe before 15 years.
so this is the national park. hitchhiking. Wow. If you're like me, then maybe you think of deserts, oil, Sharia law when you think of Saudi Arabia. But after the last few days here, I've completely changed my perspective on what this country is. And wow, it's beautiful with incredibly hospitable people. I am still so shocked and honored to have received the kindness from all of the people here in this country. But I don't even know. I don't know. Words can't describe it. Amazing time. Thank you so much. Yeah. The day ended with more hitchhiking and a drive down some of the most beautiful mountain roads I have ever seen. Oh wow. All those, that's where we were before we went all the way down. Hey guys, what's up? I hope you liked that video and subscribe if you want to see more. I was very, very touched by all of the kindness we received from the Saudi people, and I definitely want to adopt a pay it forward policy somehow. Oh, I feel like I should also talk about the Into the Wild quote that I stuck in at the beginning, because maybe it seemed out of place. I don't know. But I put it in there because this style of travel, camping, hitchhiking, not doing it just to get a bunch of free stuff or save a bunch of money. It's just more of an adventure, and I want to be more simple, just learn how to exist with less comforts. But at the same time, it also made the whole experience interacting with local people so much more raw and authentic than if you pay a tour guide. I also just really liked that book and was watching the movie recently, so it was on my mind. Tell me what you think in the comments, or just say hi in the comments, because that's nice, and I'll say hi back. Okay, goodbye.